If you want to make your WordPress website more user-friendly and professional, adding quick links to your footer is a fantastic way to help visitors easily find important pages like your contact form, about page, or even your latest offers. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to add clickable quick links to your WordPress footer. By the end, you'll know how to give your site a polished look with easy navigation for your audience. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look on the left sidebar for Appearance. Click on that and then choose Editor. Now, depending on your WordPress theme, this might be called Site Editor or Theme Editor, but don't worry, they both take you to the place where you can customize parts of your site, including the footer. Now, when you open the editor, you'll see an overview of your site layout top, middle, and bottom. What we want is the footer, which is always at the bottom. Sometimes you might need to scroll or look for a section labeled Footer. Click into that area and you'll see a space where you can add, remove, or edit content. This might look a little different depending on your theme, but generally you'll see blocks or widgets you can manage. To add a quick link, the simplest way is by placing a text block. So look for the plus or add block button and choose a text or paragraph block. If you're not sure which one to pick, paragraph is usually a safe bet and works for simple links. Type in the title of the page you want to link. For example, you might write Contact Us or FAQ. Keep it straightforward. These are your quick access links. Once you've typed your link text, you need to actually make it clickable. With your mouse, highlight the text you just entered. Don't rush this step. Make sure you've selected exactly what you want linked. You'll see a small toolbar pop up with an icon that looks like a chain link, or sometimes it just says Insert Link. Click on that and a slot will appear for you to enter the URL. Paste in the full link to the page you want people to visit. If it's another page on your site, you can copy the exact URL from your site's menu or pages list. Hit enter or confirm, and just like that, your text is now a clickable quick link. If you want to make your link stand out a bit more, maybe you want it as a button instead of just plain text, WordPress makes this pretty easy too. Add another block, but this time look for the button block. Just type your link name into the button and paste the destination URL in the settings. This can make your footer look a bit more modern and inviting. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet, you can always preview and adjust later. Once you're finished adding all your quick links, make sure to save or update your changes. Sometimes it takes a few moments for everything to appear on your live site, so don't panic if you don't see it immediately. Double-check your links to make sure they go to the right pages. Test everything out like a visitor would. That little bit of extra care will ensure a better user experience. And that's it. You've just added quick links to your WordPress footer, making your site more navigable and helpful for anyone stopping by. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button. Got questions or ran into any snags along the way? Drop a comment below, I'm here to help. And if you want more straightforward, practical WordPress tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching and happy site building.